Hello guys, welcome to Art at Madhu Mandan. I'm Madhu. I will tell you today about the Tenwin Electric Eraser. That how it works, why I like it, how's the result of this, how can we use it for our sketching, and of course the cost of it. So let's begin. This is the packet of the electric eraser and some instructions are given back. Let's open it. This electric eraser has adjustable length. It runs with two AAA batteries and it has replaceable refills. See, this is the electric eraser. It looks like pen. Now we will open the accessories which are given here. It includes two plastic holders and two kinds of eraser refills. This one is 2.3 mm refill. This is 5 mm refill. This 5 mm refills are 12 in number given. This is the plastic holder and 2.3 mm refills are 10. Now let's fill with batteries. Press the button softly and the refill spins. These two plastic holders, these are for 2.3 mm refill and one steel holder is for 5 mm refill. Three kinds of shading I have already done on the paper. One by the light H Staedtler pencil. First we will see on it. Just press the button lightly and run the eraser. Wow, such a nice line it creates on it. It erases it nicely. This is the 5 mm refill which I am using first. Now we will move towards the dark patch which is done by 6 GB graphite pencil. You can see how it erases. This is very handy. You can hold it like pen. It is difficult to erase charcoal, but see here how nicely it erases even charcoal. For a straight line, as this eraser moves in circular motion, as it spins and not stable, it's difficult to draw a straight line, so use it carefully. Now we will move towards the color pencil medium. We can use this eraser in all mediums like graphite, charcoal and even color pencil. So we will see on color pencil how it works. This first one I have done with Fabercastel polychromous pencil. This second one with Crayola pencil and third with Doms pencil. In Doms pencil it is a little difficult to erase. I have done the dark color patch with 3 layers to show you the result. Now this 5 mm refill, we can point it using the sandpaper. On sandpaper, just press the button and see you will get a point. This pointed eraser is used to do the detailed work where you have to do the dots or very tiny space you have to show the white area. So this is the good option for this. See on color also it works nicely. In color pencils I like the effect on polychromous much better than the other two pencils. Now slightly pull out this steel holder of 5 mm eraser and replace it with plastic holder of this 2.3 mm. Don't put this two out. Put it like this. Yes, this is the correct way. And just press the button, it spins. For detailed work, this 2.3 mm refill is very useful. I liked it very much. We no need to sharp the refill frequently. Now see how the fine lines we can erase with this 2.3 mm refill. On 6 GB also it works nicely. Now again the one trick, we can use it with other angles. Like on slightly tip, it creates the thin line. If you use the next angle, then it creates little big line. Very thin dots it can create. In this Tenwin Electric Eraser, this is the main thing which I like. It's 2.3 mm refill. For a very tiny work, very little work, this refill is very useful. For realistic and hyper realistic work, this refill is very useful. You can check my portrait series of the old woman. I have used this eraser in this portrait a lot. You have to clean the tip of the eraser. Just on plain area, rub there. Now we will see on color pencil also. This is on Fabercastel polychromous. Again I am cleaning the tip of the eraser. Then on Crayola pencils. If the eraser becomes short, then we have to pull out little and again insert the plastic holder. See, very nice thin line it creates. Again cleaning the tip on the plain area. The dome pencils are, I felt that it's a little hard to erase. This 2.3 mm eraser is most useful in realistic and hyper-realistic portraits. It is also useful in the jewelry works. You can see in my Aishwarya Rai portrait drawing. Also useful in detailed work. I have explained in detail about this Tenwin Electric Eraser. For sketching purpose, this is a great tool and work as a good highlighter. I have purchased this from the local shop of 400 rupees. There are other brands also available, Brusto, Levin and Tiho also, but here Tenwin was available, so I have purchased this one and I have a nice experience of it. So it is a worth buying. I am definitely going to use in my future drawings, which I will share to you. So please stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you.